Hello lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. How about some delicious shrimp and chicken pasta? Let me show you how I make this one. Here I have some chicken breasts along with some shrimp. And guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my chicken and my shrimp with vinegar and lemon. Okay, so I already cut the chicken up into small pieces. So guys, let's get into this. So I already have my lemon and my vinegar, and I'm about to cleanse my chicken and my shrimp. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and connect with me. Here I cook food, talk about food, and eat food. So after washing the chicken, I season the chicken with garlic powder, black pepper, chicken season, onion powder. Here I have the oil and the fire, and I'm gonna add the chicken to go ahead and saute it down. I marinate my chicken for 4 hours. You can always marinate your chicken overnight. All right? Chicken breast doesn't take long to get marinated. So here I'm turning them on the other side. And I'm going to use some bell pepper and some garlic and some onion along with that. So here I'm adding the shrimp in another pot on the other side. And I'm going to go ahead and do it on one side and then flip them over. And shrimp is very easy to cook, and guys, this shrimp already pre-cooked. I'm adding the bell pepper and the onion to the chicken, and I'm just gonna stir this in and get everything incorporated. Now I'm gonna add my pasta, which is already cooked, along with some vegetables, and add that to the chicken. I'm just gonna mix this. Now I'm adding some soy sauce, and I'm gonna add some more basil and some parsley and some all-purpose seasoning and a little complete seasoning. Now I just add some broccoli to that, and guys, I add the shrimp afterward. So look at this delicious, simple and easy dinner. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I say live good, walk good, pray good. One love, bless up yourself. Thanks for watching. Yummy, yummy. Yeah, man.